Irene. Welcome to the 2021 school year. I'm Susie Osmeyer, Assistant Superintendent. Colleagues and I appreciate the opportunity to introduce this year's Teacher Performance Pay Plan. Joining me in the facilitation of this plan are Laura Tenyas, Assistant Superintendent, and Kenora Hernandez, HR Ombudsman. This summer, a group of teachers representing subjects and regions across the district gathered to make recommendations, and several are joining us today to help share an overview. Next, Kenora joins me in our introduction.
Thank you, Susie. Nearly every teacher earned this compensation last year, and we are looking forward to the same successful close this school year. Similar to last year, this year's introduction arrives in July, ahead of the school year, so that you are able to plan for professional development and professional contribution activities accordingly. Let's get started, Kevin. Would you like to begin with information about compensation?
Thank you, Kenora. The Teacher Performance Pay Plan is a results-based compensation plan. It is funded by the state through Arizona Proposition 301. As a reminder, funding is generated by sales tax. Each year, the team then calculates the payout in alignment with this revenue, the number of eligible teachers, and the account balance. This year's payout is set at $2,700. To help illustrate how we came to this amount, the graph shows that the payout continues to exceed the projected revenue from the state sales tax. We are able to do so because there's been some history of monies rolled over each year. We are currently working toward the goal of better aligning each year's payout with that year's funding. We anticipate that if revenue continues to decline as it did this spring, future years will also see a decrease in this payout. Next, Erica will share more details about eligibility.
Thank you, Kevin. The plan defines specific requirements that identify teachers who are eligible for performance pay. In brief, teachers who are employed by the district who carry out direct instruction for at least 50% of their responsibilities and who work through the end of their contract are eligible. Next, Christina will share more details about the measures and metrics used.
Thank you, Erica. This year's measures will sound familiar. They include a teacher's final performance classification, professional development activities, and if chosen, professional contribution. A teacher's performance classification, which is calculated using individual performance and achievement progress as measured by state assessments, remains in the plan. For the remainder of the plan, teachers must accrue 22 hours of professional development in district-required PD and an additional 13 hours that teachers may choose to accrue through either professional development, professional contribution, or a combination of the two. We ask that all teachers review plan documents to better understand what types of activities may be eligible for either of these areas. Coursework and contribution must occur between June 1st, 2020 and May 31st, 2021. At this time, I would like to introduce Joe, who will share more about the required professional development.
Thank you, Christina. Because technology skills are more critical than ever, the Technology Department has crafted a plan to provide teachers with 21 hours of PD. All teachers are required to take the course, Engaging Students and Building an Effective Online Environment, a 15-hour class designed to assist teachers in learning the best practices of teaching students in a digital classroom. In addition, all preschool through second grade teachers and any 3rd through 8th grade teachers who have not previously participated need to take a Google Classroom course. Teachers who have already completed this course do not need to take it again. In the final 3 to 6 hours, teachers may select any course from the teacher selection menu to fulfill those hours. There are a variety of courses depending upon your individual interest and comfort level. Remember, as Christina said, the 301 plan requires all teachers to accrue 22 hours of district-required professional development. Since the instructional technology plan will account for 21 hours, the additional hour will be achieved through completion of the annual talent management HR compliance module, which will be available on July 13th. Don't forget, the remaining 13 hours of the plan can be accrued through professional development and/or professional contribution. Melissa will now share the details related to pay.
Thank you, Joe. As with last year, teacher compensation will occur at the end of this school year. A final payout is scheduled for late June. Teachers, however, are eligible for 2 payments, one in May if they participate in all 35 hours of PD by April 30th, and a second payment in June for their teacher performance classification. Teachers who require professional contribution hours and/or who need the month of May to accrue more PD hours will be paid in one lump sum in June. We will continue to send quarterly reports to teachers with professional development hours throughout the year so that everyone can monitor progress towards these goals. At this time, Nathaniel will share more about the next steps.
Thank you, Melissa. Yes, we need your help. All eligible teachers will receive an email from Kyrene School District on July 29th with a link to submit their vote. The survey will be open through August 5th at 4:30 p.m. Be sure to check your inbox during this time. It is vital that all teachers participate. With 70% of the eligible teacher population approving the plan, a request for governing board action will be submitted at the August 11th meeting. With their approval, the plan will be initiated for the year. In closing, teachers are encouraged to review the plan details at www.kyrene.org/performancepay. Answers to frequently asked questions are provided, as well as a link to the online form that teachers may use to submit professional contribution hours. If you have any questions, let us know by emailing 301@kyrene.org. Together,
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 We are.
We are
Kyrene Strong.